deliver my speech entitled How to Reach Your Dreams. So, please listen to me carefully and now let me begin. When you listen to this word, dreams, in your mind, it can be about hopes, targets, or goals in your education, profession, family life, even your happiness. Actually, what is dream for me, for us, as an elementary student? When the other people ask us about our dream, it can be about our education. Get the first rank, win a certain competition, study in a favorite junior high school, or it can be about our ambition. What we want to be in the future? A doctor, a teacher, a businessman, etc. Furthermore, is it important for us having a dream? Because some of my friends still don't know what their dreams, what they want to be in the future. My mom said I must have a dream because it will give influence to my life. Our dream can be a motivation for us to give the best every single action that we do. Unconsciously, our mind, our heart will process the dreams and estimate us to do the best efforts to reach the dreams. So, how to reach our dreams? Do you know how Al-Fatih conquered Constantinople? Do you know the key of his success? When he was child, the teacher said, I never hope the other people conquer Constantinople, but it's you. The word from his teacher was saved in his mind and heart, so it became his biggest dream. To be the best leader in his period. His parents also supported by giving the best education and teacher for him. His father ever said, I will be angry if you impolite to me, but I will not consider you as my son if you impolite to your teacher. When his father said so, he taught his son to have attitude to his teacher. Because the bliss from his teacher is one of key to get success and reaching our dreams. So, be polite and obey both your parents and your teacher. Their blessings can create easy way for you to reach your dreams beside your own efforts. Dear juries, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all to my speech. Thank you for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum.